All right, ladies and gentlemen, man, we're about ready to go with our final group. Yes. This next group will be competing in the overall advanced group division for Otea, Aprima, and music categories. This next group is USA's only all-male Tahitian dance group. Founded by Ryan Sam and Vairea Tupana from Va'a, Tahiti. In 2018, they won the overall junior group award here at Kiki Raina, and today they are competing in the senior division for the first time. The name of the theme was written by Ina Tepehu. It is entitled Nafetu Ehani. Nafetu Ehani is an ancient legend that takes place in Tuha'ape, or the Austral region, of Maohi Nui, French Polynesia. Tu, the god of war, visited Earth from his home in the sky realm of the gods. One day, he was completely offended by mankind's lack of respect for nature, for the gods, and for each other. In an endless rage, Tu called his arere, or messengers, in ranks of warriors. They set fire to every house, turning the sky dark from smoke. They slaughtered anyone who got in the way, turning the rivers red from the blood of their victims. All the earth felt was the tremble of war, violence, anger, and despair. Panicking, the other gods watched, but could not stop Tu. Hearing about his suffering on earth, Ta'urua, the goddess of love, offered a simple solution. She told the other gods not to worry. That same night, Tu's warriors took a rest, and Ta'urua arrived in front of him. She undressed herself and brought him to lay down to make love with her. Seduced. It's a family show. Seduced and vulnerable to Ta'urua, Tu gave in to her love. At their climax together, Tu released the end of his rage, and Ta'urua was proud to see Tu was fast asleep, resting after days of war. When Tu awoke, he told his warriors that they would all return home. He told them to stop destroying and killing. He announced that this was now Te Hau Nui, a time of great peace. From then on, all living beings on earth understood that if even the god of war could be conquered by love, then love was the only weapon strong enough to end worldly suffering. From the divine contact of Tu and Ta'urua came a son named Tamatoa Nui. Tamatoa Nui was described by the Maohi ancestors, he who was fierce in battle against all enemies, fights to protect those he loves, and even more fiercely. The dances for tonight were choreographed by Vairea Tupuna and Thailand Te Aitu Buendia. The drumming compositions were led by John Bub Sangalang. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Bruno, California, we present to you Tamatoa Nui.
whetia ura. I aro I tō te ao nei. O tū te whetia ura. Tā honi hora o tū inia I te whenua rā. No te wharere I te taata. Ai tuhi tuhi. I hora o na matatea. Aue te teo teo. Te amaura. E te papari o howhai o te taata. Whao te atura o tū. Ia tū mate te vai a taata. No tōna ino ino. Tuoa era o tū I tana mau hiro. Tomi te hinu hinu no kiki raina. Te mau manihini. Mana hao. Yaura. Te I te a te o te ratana. Ānenge. E aronga. Mato te e tamato nui. O te awhai mai nei. Te a amu. Nā whetu. E hani.
O vai o e te hama ui au. Tō e rawera te tata. Ia taua hi te mau whare. Ia mate te utua whare. E ia mamai ne au tō. E piwhawa ne tō e orara I roto I te poi. E atau, e atau, e atau. E a hiti. O vau tei. O tū. Te eitu. E te matoe. E te moito. E tau mau hiro. A te mama. A ura. A oto. E ia mate. Teia mai ne tamatonu e.
Ei mai nei tamato nui e tū, e tū.
Tawhiti ora e.
E tū.
Tawhiti ora e. Ai tu mau I nene. A tu pai mai. A tu mate. Uia. A tu mate. Tu mate. A tu mate. Tu mate. A fama.
Aue! Aue! Nā hea iara I atu. Kono atura te maunua atua. Ia taurua. Taurua te aitu o te here. He tumutura I te pahonora e. E iaha e tua tua. E haamanino ne ia u ia tu. I te rārui. Rohia o tū I te hauhani o taurua.
E te umau hiro e, whariu mai. Nā tire i te aha, no te hao mā mo iwi te tāta. Te tau tei, no te hao nui. Te hāpē tato te tāta. E hoi nei tato i tō tato nei. Ora ei, hoi.
Tomi te nui e, te maumanihini. Te me tamato tāne oriroa e. Te arere o tū, te haunui. E ramai!
hino. Maururu I te mate te I rama I tamatu ne hautira. E a amu te ie, nā whetu, e hani. Te ie te parau, I roto I te parau. O te I aro, to te ao. A whiruri, no te aha. I naha, a poi here, I tō tai e.
Tōnu iwa e, manaha! Tūrai henua e, te I te a te o te rā te nā. Te I te a te o te rā te nā.
Tō kariha e, a lenge! Aronga.
Rurututu no ai te iene, e te roa I te rāratau. Yaura! E tamari I au no te enua, tūha apema. Enua, no te mau iro. Ai atu, tōne mau tuhuna, o tāu e wāhuru nei te mahana. Mātou tei, tamatonu, e awhai mai nei tā mātou tuhuro. Nā whitu, e hunu. Wauti tā mātou hipa, e hui mātou tamatonu.
and gentlemen, from San Bruno, California, Tama Tawanui.
All right. Nice.
Wow.
I was beginning to question whether you had the 50 Shades of Grey version on your text sheet.
Right.
That was very good. We're going to get our floor swept, and then we do have